again today. Ladies, let's count down 5 bags together for our Christy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The first 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20. Hi, Christy. Nice to see you. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30. Yeah, welcome all the ladies. Welcome to the shop DIY. For the newbie friends, don't forget to follow and share. If you follow, you can get 3 more free bags. If you share, you can get 1 more. Ooh, nice grab. 40. 40 for you. Let's go for 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Let's go for all them, my Christy. Ladies, let's tap down LUCK for our Christy. Finger crossed for you. Wish you great luck in your OGB show. Let's go for it. Okay, ladies, welcome to Joshua DIY for all the newbie friends and also loyal friends. Let's stay here and enjoy the OGB show of our glass piece. Roro, haven't talked to you since my birthday. Oh, hi, Julie. Nice to see you. Good luck, good luck. Thank you, Granny. Thank you so much, ladies. So in the first one, we got your lucky bag. Ladies, tap down 1 for Christy. Hi, Vanessa. Nice to see you. How's your day going on? Thank you so much, ladies, for counting together. And just want newbie friends know this one is called JoJo Beads. You get 1 more for free. And also we got your green color glass pearls, special design. Oh my gosh, so many ladies in our live room. Welcome, welcome. For all the newbie friends, don't forget to follow and share. You follow, got 3 more free bags. You share, can get 1 more for free. We got your second JoJo Beads in the second box, 2 in a row. Ladies, tap down 1 more for our Christy. And also we got your highlight pinky color, one of my favorite color here. Okay, let's go on. Let's go for the next bag. Love pinky. Oh, pinky lover. No way, 3 in a row. Ladies, tap down 3 in for our Christy. Here we go, super lucky lady today. And also we got your candy jar with the mixture color. Pretty. Thank you, my Queen K. Thank you for loving our glass piece. Okay, let's go for the next bag. Hi, Coco Bean. Hi, Elba. Welcome all the diva lovers. Welcome to Joshua DIY. In this one, we got the milky piece with the green and the pinky color. Jingle leaf dangling for you. Right now, what we are showing is called the glass piece. 1 bag, you got 12 beads together with either 1 fricatron or maybe 1 JoJo piece. This one is a snowflake dangling and also fracture with orange color. Hi, ladies. This is your friend Roro. RORO. You got any question? Just let me know. Oh, Janida. Are you newbie friends? Yeah, let me show you how we play the game. In 1 bag, you got the piece together with either 1 fricatron or maybe 1 JoJo piece. You get 1 JoJo piece, yeah, you can get 1 more for free. And we just count the number of the JoJo piece. Yeah, that's how we play the game. Yeah, Janada. So it's our newbie friends. Don't forget to follow and share. Follow, you got 3 more free bags. Share, you got 1 more. In this one, we got the ice cracker with the pinky color, also the golden color feather for you. Okay, let's go for next one. There is 3 JoJo piece. Yes. Hi, Roro. Hi, Wendy. Ladies, tap down 1 more for our Christy. As lucky as always. And also we got your milky blue color. Here we go. Let's go for next one. Oh, let me grab this bag for you.
Got your order. Thank you so much, ladies.
We got your order. Thank you so much, ladies. As you can tell right now, because many ladies with order number just fall asleep, I recommend you grab a chance. Order now open soon for you. Compared to the busy days, you don't have to wait. Ooh, here we go. Little mermaid tail. JoJo beads for you. Hi, Arsley. Nice to see you. Let's have done 1 more. I love the color. Thank you, Queen K. In this one, we got the ice cracker with the dreamy color. I want it. Thank you so much, honey. Loving our glass piece. It's the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5 per down your shop. Did we close the L1K for the stitch?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, number 5 per down shop. And we got your pinky color. Pinky juicy color for you. Come on, this one losing a trunk. Let me grab 1 more for you. Don't worry. Yeah, 1 more. Okay, let's go for next bag. In the next one, we got your double wing. Ladies, tap down 1 more for our Christy. And we got your juicy pinky color for you. Yeah, one of my favorite design in the glass piece. Juicy pinky color. Okay, let's go for the next one. Wow, so lucky. In this one, what we got is a hammer dangling with the fresh green color ice cracker one. Okay, let's go on. Ladies, right now what opening is called the glass piece. It's the number 5 per down your shop. We have over 1,000 kinds, ladies. Can you imagine? Yeah, the variety. Bye, Millie. Thank you for following. 3 more free back for you. And also our Taurus. Sissy, write down the 2 lists and give them 3 more free back.
Okay, I'm ready right now. Thank you, ladies. Follow and share.
Thank you so much. In this one is the lotus dangling with a marble piece of mixture color. Okay, let's go for the next one. Let's go. In the next one, what we got is ice cracker with a red color. Also the flower window for you. So elegant flower. Okay, thank you so much, lady, for following and share. For the newbie friends, don't forget to follow and share. If you follow, you can get 3 more free bags. You share, you can get 1 more. This one we got the golden lucky clover with the marble piece of the pinky and also the blue color. Okay, let's go. Let's go for the next one. Yeah. Oh, Linda, that one is the golden trunk. In the next one, we got the fractured jade with the royal blue color. Also the cutie bow tie spacer. Ladies, this is your friend Roro. RORO. You got any question? Just let me know. Oh, sorry. It's okay. Okie dokie. In this one, we got the cotton candy. Yeah, sky blue color. Also the lucky clover spacer for you. Okay. Let's go for next one. Oh my gosh, we haven't finished the first box. Already a big variety of the colors and the designs. So many designs in our glass piece. Let's stay here. Enjoy. In the next one, what we got? Of course, we got you another JoJo piece. One more flag. Let's have that one more. So pretty, right? Chrissy, it's over you. It reminds me of crystals. Thank you so much, honey. We got the ice crackle with the ocean blue color. Go on. Let's go for the next bag. Ladies, you can use our glass piece OG piece for most of the DIY projects. For example, the bracelets, necklace, earrings, phone chain, keychain, a lot of the DIY projects. And also, we got you one more. Come on. Christy, super lucky day. As lucky as your birthday. And also, we got your pineapple color. Pineapple. Let's go for the next one. Thank you so much, ladies, for staying together and also come together. In this one is your favorite color. Yeah, Frog Jade with the pinky and also the silver color butterfly dangling for you. So lucky, right, my Queen K? Let's go for the next one. In the next one, we got your elegant pearl shape and also tree of life dangling for you. Ladies, welcome to Shop DIY. Welcome all the DIY lovers. Welcome to the paradise of the DIY lovers. Right now, we're opening the OG piece in our shop called the Glass Piece, number 5 in your shop. We got ice crackle and pinky color with a twinkle leaf. Okay, go on. Let's go for the next one. Hey, in the next one, what we got? Come on. Super lucky. Yeah, all the luck around for you. Let's have done one more for Christy, ladies. And also got ice crackle with the loyal red color. Here we go. Thank you so much, ladies, for staying together and also come together. It's such a gorgeous order. Mama D, thank you so much for sharing. One more free bag for you. So in this one, we got the Paikun dangling with a Frog Jade family. Okay. Hi, Gideon. Hi, LB. Nice to see you. Oh my. Oh, Christy, so gorgeous order. So unique, right? In this one, we got Love Heart Animal and also the Loyal Blue color. One of the most popular design in glass piece. Yeah, ice crackle. Also the oil painting for you. The blue. Queen K, blue lover. Okay, first box. Allow me to show you, ladies. Oh my gosh, those are pretty, right, Christy? It's over you. Ladies, look at the glass piece, all the variety of the colors and the shapes. Come on, that's why it's so popular, so popular OGBs among our ladies. We have over 1,000 kinds of glass piece, each one of different colors and the shapes. You can use them for the bracelets, necklace, earrings, phone chain, keychain. And also, if you're lovers looking for something high quality, high hardness, high transparency, don't miss it. Right now, we don't have a super long line. Highly recommend you grab a chance. Order now, open really soon for you. Compared to the busy hours, you don't have to wait. Beautiful colors, the oil painting one are gorgeous. It's all for you, my Chrissy. Okay.